Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt easy. Making your own delicious yogurt at home is simpler than you might think, and it only requires a few basic steps and ingredients. We'll start by gathering everything you need, then move on to heating the milk to the perfect temperature. Next, we'll introduce the live cultures, and finally, we'll let it incubate to transform into creamy, homemade goodness. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need 1/2 gallon of whole milk. Its fat content contributes to a richer, creamier yogurt. For your starter, grab 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt that clearly states it contains live and active cultures. Essential equipment includes a large pot for heating, a reliable thermometer to monitor temperatures precisely, and a whisk for thorough mixing. Don't forget to have several clean jars or containers ready for your finished product. First, gently heat your 1/2 gallon of milk in a large pot over medium heat until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This step helps denature proteins and eliminate unwanted bacteria. Next, cool the milk down to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled, whisk in 2 tablespoons of your live culture starter yogurt until it's completely smooth. Finally, carefully pour this mixture into your clean jars, ready for the next stage. Now it's time for incubation. Place your jars in a warm spot, maintaining a temperature around 100 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 12 hours. A longer incubation period, up to 12 hours, will yield a tangier and thicker yogurt. Once it reaches your desired consistency, chill the yogurt in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours to stop the fermentation and firm it up. Enjoy your fresh, homemade yogurt, which stays delicious for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.